Hello, and welcome to another update video on the US dollar index chart. Yep, we did get our reversal in our support zone. Quite good to see, and the price is forming a 5-wave move up. Now, you might remember from previous videos that we were watching for that 5th wave basically in both scenarios that we're tracking. In both scenarios, we wanted to see a 5-wave move up. Remember that the move to the upside could be either a 5-wave move in wave 1 of a larger 5-wave move up, which could be the beginning of a much larger bull cycle that could last many months, maybe even years. Talked about that in previous videos here on the channel. So this could be wave 1. Once we have a top, and we're now in the target area, once we have a top in this 5th wave, we can add support for the wave 2 pullback, the corrective pullback, to the chart, and then we can watch for a 3rd wave rally from there, and then we'll focus on higher accordingly. This is a scenario in which we have bottomed, formed actually indeed a meaningful low, and we can watch for higher prices overall. 5 waves to the upside, 3 waves down, that's the setup. However, even in the orange scenario, we wanted to see 5 waves up ideally, so we said we can't really distinguish between them at the moment. In the orange count, we are in a C wave to the upside from that B wave low that formed here in September. We can say wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 in wave C in our orange scenario. So we can't really distinguish between them at the moment, and I also haven't got a top in anyway. I mean, ideally we stretch a little higher in this 5th wave to the upside, but this is the target zone between $99.70 and $100.42, and there's likely going to be some additional resistance around this very obvious swing high from the 1st of August. Now, I have to say that it really depends on the structure of the next pullback. If we hold support, a higher low, then this could be a setup for higher prices. If we break support, we could get another low in the area around $94 to $95. I can add Fibonacci support now, but please note that it's too early to confirm this as a target area. It would at the moment only really serve the purpose of, let's say, a first zone to watch for orientation. $96.98 to $98.45. Either way, both of these scenarios indicate that we should either have bottomed already or we are very close to a significant low. So we are in an area, in an environment in which the US dollar could form a long-term low. It's going to be a very interesting time in Q4 and also Q1, because this is now where a major low could form. So very interesting. That's basically the idea about the DXY Elliott wave count. And if you're wondering where you can actually trade the DXY, we've partnered with XTB, a fully regulated global broker that operates in most regions around the world. For me, it was just important to work with a broker that's truly international and that's active across markets, and accessible to most of our community. They, don't obviously offer the DXY as such, because the DXY is an index, you can't trade it, but they offer a DXY CFD, which closely mirrors the DXY chart that I'm using here in the analysis. So you can trade the same market moves without needing a separate account somewhere, right? XTB gives you everything. There are, by the way, also over 10,000 instruments available, from Forex, commodities, and indices to crypto, CFDs, and ETFs. You can even set up ETF investment plans, earn interest on your balance, and much more. Account setup is quick as well. But back to actually the question, because I receive it very often in the comments. Here you can find it under the ticker USD-IDX. So you see the price here is currently at $99.53, which is very close, and it mirrors very closely the price here of the US dollar index on TradingView. Yeah, that's the update. I hope you enjoyed the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, check out our other channels as well, like the More Crypto Online channel. And if you're interested in opening a account with XTB, feel free to use the link in the comment section. It's a partner link. And if you use it, you also support everything we do here for the community. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.